Let's start with the definition of combustion. Combustion is the process of burning something. So combustion is used all across rocketry to perform one role: provide thrust. Newton's third law states, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. We may not notice it until we think about it. It could be as simple as sitting in a chair or lifting something heavy. All of these actions can cause an equal and opposite reaction. But when we are talking about rocketry, there is only one main application that matters, and this is using gases to provide thrust. When a large number of gas particles are pushed out at a high velocity, they create a force. You may have experienced this when walking on a windy day. Now, even this creates an opposite reaction, meaning that you can propel yourself forwards with enough force from a fire extinguisher or even a very, very large deodorant can. Now, where does combustion come into this? Well, if you've ever seen a rocket launch, a large amount of gas is propelled out of the bottom to produce a force large enough to raise off the ground against the force of Earth's gravity. The gas comes out at a speed of around 3 to 4 kilometers per second. That's a force of 30 million newtons or 2 million fire extinguishers. So how does it do this? Well, the rocket burns fuels inside of a combustion chamber, which are large spaces within the rocket that are designed to burn large amounts of fuel at once. These chambers are fully sealed off during the process of combustion. Once the takeoff begins, these chambers are opened and all of the built-up pressure from the gas is forced through the rear of the rocket, providing thrust. How does this relate back to the match at the beginning of the video? Well, we essentially designed a mini combustion chamber. The tinfoil was used to seal off the gases from escaping, and only when the pressure was large enough did the gas break through the tiny hole in the tinfoil. This caused a large amount of gas to be pushed through a small gap very fast, causing a thrust to be produced.